the second man like Luigi. I rap Christ for Sheezy. My flows ain't cheesy. Y'all make this real easy. Please believe me, if wordplay were a disease, then I'm sick with a phrase like sipping a fifth of a chase, and I'm dipping the space. Flipping the phrase, spitting with blades, ripping the stage, getting you days, giving God a ridiculous praise. The hater said I'm sick of his phrase. He ended up like John Travolta when I took his face off like Nicolas Cage. Ripping the page, bar the bar, ripping with rage. For any titan I'm inviting the class can get blast. When I slice like a razor, leaving more than a gash. Try to come on like you Teddy, you get pinned to the grass. In other words, slain in the spirit, slain by the lyrics, slain when you hear it, it's God's work. You can't interfere it. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. I'm trained like a boxer. All opponents lose their heads like Hoffa. I'm more than a conqueror through him that loved me. Like Conan, I'll conquer you. Your crew can't snub me. Rock boy, taking over the land like Joshua. Through Christ the sin abolisher. My God is watching you.